Chances are, if you've tuned in and you're checking out this video series on the feelings kit, that there is some point in your life and someone in your life that you struggle with, you have struggled with in the area of forgiveness. That is our next oil in the feelings kit. It's a blend of approximately 15 single oils. It is, let me smell it. Of the oils that I've shared already, it's a little bit of a stronger. It's not as soft and subtle and as floral-like. I smell definitely the Roman chamomile and the lemon. Almost a spicier versus a soft, gentle. Maybe more masculine versus feminine, if I could put a gender role onto an oil from this kit. Forgiveness contains an aroma that supports the ability to forgive yourself and others while letting go of negative emotions, which is obviously an important part of personal growth. If you hold on to unforgiveness, it's going to cause a lot of bitterness, and it's going to cause basically stumbling blocks for yourself. That where there's unforgiveness, you're not hurting the person that you're holding that against, because more than likely they could care less. If they hurt you, chances are, one, they might not have known, two, they don't care, because maybe they're self-absorbed, maybe they're a narcissist, maybe they were your abuser. Now, remember, and I tell my children this all the time, forgiving someone does not mean that you're forgetting what they did. Forgiving someone does not mean that you allow that person to be a part of your life and continue to hurt you, abuse you, and so forth. Forgiveness means this. It's releasing your energy. It's releasing your hang-ups. It's releasing you so that you can be all that God desires for you to be. Okay? That sometimes forgiveness does not come because the offender has sought you out. I know there are people in my lives who have hurt me. People who have physically abused me, emotionally abused me, taken advantage of me and the caring, the serving individual that I am. The serving is not the right way to say that. But especially with my former job, like I was always the first to say, hey, I'll do that. Hey, I'll help you out. Hey, I'll have your back. And people took that for granted, or not even for granted. They took advantage of that. And they used me. But I was also wrong in allowing that. So I've learned how to build some safe boundaries. But I have to be able to let go of that and to forgive those people, even if they never seek out my forgiveness. So this has been a great oil for me over the past 5 years or so in my emotional healing journey, and finding forgiveness and being able to just emotionally let go and let it be in the past, where occasionally I might catch a glimpse of it in my little rearview mirror, but I'm looking in that full windshield ahead at what God has for me and for my family. All right, if you've had a great experience with this and want to share about it, please be sure to comment in the boxes below.